Hello, I'm Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with the latest agribusiness updates. UPL Limited held a Sarpanch Mela which was attended by over 100 Sarpanch from the Maharashtra region. The focus of the interaction was to discuss subjects including holistic crop protection solution, increasing the yield and enhance overall prosperity of farmers. The Mela was hosted by Mr. Ashish Tobal, Regional Director India UPL Limited. Sharing his thought on the same, he said, "We at UPL Limited are focused on benefiting the farmers to the best of our abilities. Our programs take holistic approach aimed at improving farm yield and thereby increasing income for the farmers." Mahindra & Mahindra's farm equipment sector launched the new range of rice transplanter Mahindra Planting Master Paddy 4RO in Telangana. A rice transplanter is a specialized machine to transplant paddy seedling into a paddy fields. It ensures uniform transplanting, which helps to increase yield. It is labor and time saving as compared to manual transplanting. Commenting on the importance of mechanization in rice farming, Heman Sikka, president of Mahindra Farm Equipment Sector, Mahindra & Mahindra Limited, said, "At Mahindra, we want to change the way rice farming is done. In spite of India being the second largest rice producing country in the world, our rice cultivation continues to be under mechanized." The ultimate goal of the partnership between CNH Industrial and Nikola Corporation is to develop and produce a complete lineup of zero-emission heavy-duty trucks. The greatly reduced carbon footprint will provide concrete environmental benefits, thereby contributing to a cleaner, greener future. Pramod Thoda has been appointed President of FMC US. He will lead the commercial strategy and own P&L responsibility for the US crop business. At the same time, FMC Corporation has appointed Ravi Annavarapu as President of FMC India. Effective July 1st, 2021, Annavarapu will be responsible for the company's business strategy and performance in India. Helm Agro and Alter Crop Science announced a partnership to bridge the gap between traditional and biological crop input solution. This new relationship applies a system approach to support sustainable practices and provide growers easy access and provide education on full spectrum integrated crop solution. David S. President, Helm Agro US Inc. said, "Our family-owned business were built on the same values and with the same entrepreneurial spirit as the family farm." Vimal Alvadi, Managing Director, Best Agro Life Limited, with Ranjan Alvadi, Executive Director, Best Agro Life Limited, inaugurated the hydrogeneration plant at their manufacturing unit at Gajraula, Uttar Pradesh. With the global expansion in mind, Best Agro Life Limited is scaling up the technology to meet the ever-growing demand in the Indian and international market, resulting in process development and optimization of the resources. Fasal congratulated to their water champions for the month of May 2021 who topped their list in terms of using every milliliter of water precisely. As part of their Fasal Water Credit Program, they will contribute to celebrate their progressive farmers who are guiding India towards sustainable water usage. Olam International has been named Best Sustainable Logistic Enterprise at the Logic SIMA Awards 2021 for incorporating the ethos of sustainability to improve environmental indicators across their supply chain, including carbon emissions, water disposal, and energy management. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.